You've been very much looking to the future in your presentation, some of the challenges in terms of improving engineered safety in cars. What are the key messages you've been trying to get across?
Well, the two messages really. The first is that we absolutely need to introduce this so that we can make our cars and our products safer for the occupants and for the road users around us. The fatalities on the roads at the moment are frankly horrific when you look at the statistics. They have come down, but they're not coming down fast enough. And we're looking at systems that are going to help do that, make our cars safer and more comfortable for all of our drivers.
How will those systems differ from what we've already got, anti-braking, airbags, things like that?
The main difference that we're now looking at is that we're moving from passive safety systems, where the bodies have been designed to be softer and more compliant in an accident, and airbags which take the impact out of an accident. We're now moving that forward to active safety, where we're actually looking at intervening in the vehicle dynamics, so that even though the driver is not braking, we will brake a vehicle. Even though the driver is failing to steer around a road corner, we will intervene and steer that vehicle for them. So we're moving from passive to active safety.
And what's going to be the major challenge in introducing that to motor vehicles?
There are two challenges. The first is to be able to do it in a cost-effective manner. These are systems that have in previous years come off fighter aircraft, where you've been making very low volumes of product. You can make everything out that is gold-plated and hand-built. This cannot be done in the automotive world. A system that might cost $1 million on a fighter aircraft has to sell for under $100 on an automotive vehicle. So we are looking at reducing the cost of these systems so that they are affordable, and increasing the manufacturability so that we can increase the volumes from just tens or 20s of these systems, so that we can actually build millions of them to complement the number of vehicles that are built in Europe and the USA and Asia every year.
It's a big challenge. What's your time scale to achieve this?
The time scales are being driven very, very vigorously by the Euro NCAP consortium. The politicians are very much steering that, as well as the insurance industry, and the bar is being raised progressively from 2014 onwards. A big jump in 2016 and progressive jumps in 2017 to lift the bar higher, so that you have more to do in order to get your 5 NCAP stars for your new car in 2017.
So it's not an option, it's something the industry's just got to adapt to.
It is an option, you can do whatever you like. However, to go with a marketing ploy of saying we don't care about safety is completely untenable, and therefore by default, as a de facto requirement, it is there to be able to justify to society that our cars are 5-star. We're not mandated, we want to do it to demonstrate the quality and the safety of our vehicles.